Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about canonical forms. We will continue the canonical forms. We were discussing about the reduction rules for the BDDs. Okay, we can form any circuit in terms of BDDs. Okay, if we take a circuit and we can decide we can design a BDD for a given node. Okay. Here, if you see here, this is x1. So x1 has only one variable. So x1 taken 0 and 1, two values, and x2 here. And for this node, this is NAND operator. We can take the BDD for the NAND operator. Okay. This gives the NAND operator for BDD. Okay. So similarly for nodes here and here, we can form the BDDs in terms of x1 and x2. Okay, the output can be formed ultimately using BDD after reducing the BDD. Okay, how to design a circuit if the BDD is given. Okay, if the BDD is given, how to define a circuit. Okay. Simply take invert the BDD and take this as an 2 into 1 mug. Okay, mugs. Okay, and this is the input taken, and input taken here and here, and the selection tool is here, the B. Okay, here the selection tool is C. Okay, these are the two inputs for the mugs. Okay, same here. Okay. In BDDs, how number ordering of the variables affect the size of the BDD. Okay, for different orders, there are different BDDs. For this order, this is the BDD, and for this order, this is the BDD. This is the very good ordering because the BDD has a less number of nodes, and this is very simple. And this is bad ordering because there are many nodes and there is very complex structure for this BDD. Okay, we can find the good ordering by exchanging each variable and finding the BDDs. Okay, the next form of canonical form is read model representation. Any according to the representation, we can represent any function using this positive decomposition and negative decomposition. In the positive decomposition, f at xi bar, this representation is if we substitute xi is equal to 0 in the function f, this is the function. Okay, XOR xi, and this is fi xi bar XOR fi xi. Okay, and for negative representation, we similarly. Okay, generalization of the Reed-Muller representation. Any function, n variable function, we can simplify this to XOR operator of these terms. Okay, where ai is the where constants, and we will take here we can see that the number of components are a constant one, and here x2, x3, so on, x2, xn, and we can take 2 at a time, 3 at a time, 4, n at a time. Okay, example, let's take an example here. This is the f of x with the 3 variables abc. We can find fa by substituting a is equal to 1, and we can find fa bar by substituting a is equal to 0. Okay, we simplify this, we will get the functions, and we can we can use the positive or negative decomposition of F. We can simplify this to this. Okay. These identities, XOR identities, can be used in this simplification of Reed-Muller representation. Okay. Another way is for decomposition, choose B as a variable. Okay. And FB bar is found out, and we substitute in f of x, and we will get this as simplified form. And we use this identities in here to simplify this f function to this Reed-Muller form. Okay. And next type of representation is and invert of a graph. This is not a canonical form because of this reason, because these two are similar expression. These are two are equal expression, but there exist two different and invert operators graphs. These two are different, so this is not a canonical form. Okay. And an invert graph is not a canonical form. Okay. According to this representation, we can define AND operator using a dot and invert operator using a circle. Okay. So OR can be seen as three circles and one dot. Okay. Using this, we can define XOR using this dots and zeros connected between A and B. Okay. AIGs are not canonical because same function can be represented using two functionally equivalent AIGs, two different structures. Okay. These two are equal, and these are two different structures, AIGs. Okay. It contains 6 nodes and 4 levels. These are the levels. This is the one level, this is second level, this is third level, this is fourth level. Nodes are, we should count the and number of ands: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here number of nodes are 7 and number of levels are 3. Okay. These are two completely AIGs, so this is not a canonical form.